God.
Please be a bass. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
that's a fucking stud, dude. 487.
Nice.
That's a good one. Damn, that's a good one. Hell yeah, bro. You would think that they'd be sitting up in this shit. Oh, it's because they are. Yep. Swimming at me.
Nice one. Nice one.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah, bro.
238.
Nice.
Fuck.
Hell yeah, bro. Beautiful fish.
We can fish right here on the point and spin around. And
Yeah.
fish farther out if you want.
Fish. Yep. I don't think it's that big. Fucking swimming right at me again.
Old chatterbait killing him. Is he 12 inches?
I think so.
I'll put him on.
Yeah, probably not.
Nope.
Oh, Jesus. Hey. Coming to you.
Hey, buddy, you don't belong here. I'm trying to put you back to your home.
Oh, it's supposed to be flipped over.
That one?
Yep. No, that's a pickerel. Little tiny pickerel.
I think it's zebra cake time,
Dude, I'm with you.
if I'm being honest.
I think I'm gonna do the same thing. Can't go wrong with zebra cake. Good shit, dude.
Put it right here at the boat, man. 237.
Yep. Good fish.